Hello everyone, my name is Greg King and welcome to my video on the benefits of social media for business. In this video, we're going to go through 6 exploratory questions that every business person should be asking themselves after the COVID-19 shutdown and how to reboot your business. And after, in a moment, I'll show you examples of how we did it, owning a real estate company in Vancouver after the 2008 and 2009 real estate collapse. One of the first things we learned after the 2008-2009 real estate collapse in Vancouver when I owned my business was that things were not going to get back to normal as status quo, and we had to change our whole outlook on advertising and how to get back to the public in a different platform. Now, one of the things that we look at is how are we going to operate our business and your business now after the COVID-19 period, because it's not going to be the same. People have changed their buying habits. It used to be that 47% of the people would actually go on YouTube and Google to source their product. Now it's a ton more, and most people now are shopping online, still fearful of going into a retail store or a trade store or to a service area or service outlet to look at and create business. So the question is, how are you going to adjust for the sales loss after being closed for this extended period of time? What we did is we kept in touch by email and kept the people fresh and kept the people top of line. However, most people haven't done that because most businesses didn't know when they're going to come back and if they can even afford to come back. The next question is, how are you going to adjust for the customer's new buying habits? They're not as likely to go to the paper. They're not as likely to go on TV or to radio stations because those are very expensive. Paper is still pretty good. However, they're not going to be going into the stores like they used to. Next question, where are you going to advertise? Is it going to be media? Like what kind of media? Television, expensive. Radio, expensive. Paper, newsprint is a lot cheaper, but who's going to pick up newsprint? Most people now are going online. In fact, most papers are struggling right now to make ends meet financially. Do you need to increase your advertising budget? Well, you can. Doesn't mean it makes sense. However, we have a program that you can actually decrease your advertising budget. And number 6, do you want to be ahead of the curve? Do you want to be ahead of the competition? Do you want to be ahead of the business selling the same products as you? What we learned in our real estate company is we didn't have to be head and shoulders above everyone else. We just needed to be the 1% better. No different than a horse race where the difference between first place and second place could be a nose hair, but the difference in the cash prizes could be tenfold. What's really interesting is the same processes I'm going to show you today we were doing 10 and 11 years ago on Google and YouTube. Now, since they are the number 1 and 2 platform for Google searches, we decided what's the best way of doing it, and we came up with a step-by-step process and how we could actually harness the horse with YouTube, and being with YouTube would automatically progress it to going to Google, and you can do it and be on the first page organically, not have to pay a penny, and actually be a driving force above your competition. Now, the first one I'm going to show you here, just let me this here. The first example is how to use social business media for small business marketing. And as you can see here, it took 1 day to get up on the 3rd page of YouTube. These ones here are ads that have been paid for, but on number 4, that is an organically grown ad, and it became on the first page. It ranked number 4 in just 1 day. Now, example 2 is organically posted again. It's on the first page. It was how to promote business on Google. It actually posted after 18 hours, and it ranked number 3. The third example is, once again, organically post, first page, ranked 3, and it was posted, as you can see right here, on the first page of YouTube in 7 minutes. Now, the next step, this gets all better and better. The next step, once again, organically posted, first page, ranked number 3, and that is how to advertise your business on YouTube. And that occurred, as you can see here, in just 4 minutes, organically, front page of YouTube. The 5th example is the crowning glory, and that is ranked number 4, and it happened in 1 minute. A lot of these rankings, as you can see, it takes a year or 8 months. We did it in just 1 minute. Not only that, we got number 3 ranking as well. Now it gets better from here. The next example, number 6, it ranked organically again, first page, it ranked number 3, and it was how to promote your business organically on YouTube. This once again took 7 minutes. Now, the plus to this is we also got ranking number 4 and ranking number 6. So in the top organic page, we got 50% of the ads. Now the question goes out is, how would that look for your business if you were to get the majority of the ads on YouTube that would progress onto Google for searches for your business? It would be pretty powerful, wouldn't it? Now, example number 7, once again, first page, organic. It actually ranked number 7, and that occurred in 3 minutes, and that was how to promote your business locally. And once again, it happened in 3 minutes. Now, the bonus on this is we ranked number 3, we ranked number 5, we ranked number 8. So the top 4 out of the top 8 rankings were on the first page of YouTube, which means a 50% exposure on first page, and it could be a 50% exposure for your business at no cost. And these postings stay up on YouTube. Now, the last example is organically posted, first page. This is not by chance or coincidence. Everything we're doing typically gets ranked, and as you can see by these 8 examples, every one of them gets ranked on first page. So it's ranked number 7. It ranked in 3 minutes. We also got ranking number 3, number 5, number 8. So we got 4 out of the 8 rankings for 50% exposure on YouTube. So based on that, you can see how you could actually increase your business. You could actually get new customers. You could actually get back online. Now, whether it's a service like dentistry, or whether it's a trade like electrical trade or plumbing, or whether it's a retail shop with women's clothing or men's clothing, this all could work very effective for you. And all it really takes is, this is the catch, it takes a little bit of time to make 8 to 10 3 to 5 minute videos. Something I'm doing right now. You sit down and you just brainstorm and come up with ideas of how to attract your specific market. And it's very easy to do. And you can do it in 1 day, or you can take 2 days and post them 1 a day, because Google and YouTube love consistency. And they also love to make sure that you're not overwhelming everyone. Now, once again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to below put this how do you promote your business locally on YouTube as an ebook link. And by all means, you can take a look and see if this all makes sense. And it's a little more in depth, and it will make sense. And if there's questions, by all means, put your questions down in the comment section. Now, in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can actually make that happen in Google for free. Now, if you've liked my video and found it informative and interesting, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and leave your comments below, and we will see you on the next video.